Here we are on Webb Boulevard, addressing a concern that was brought to our attention. This concern dates back several years, and it's in regards to the pine trees that you see behind me here. These trees have become a nuisance for the neighboring yards and a potential safety hazard as they continue to grow taller and the opportunity for them to topple over increases. This project has been approved by the board of directors, and we're taking action over the next 2 days here on Webb Boulevard. As you can see, the trees are on both sides. You can see the height. You can see the trees that are going to be removed within a short matter of time. And to turn over the details of this project, we'll hand this over to Juan, our maintenance supervisor, to kind of introduce the technique that's being used out here during this project.
Hello everyone, as you can see right now, we got the company out here. They're about to chop down the tree. So we're going to go ahead and bring her down, and then we're going to grind the stump, and then grind all the rest of the material away. Hello everyone, as you can see, we got the winch tied up to the tree for safety. We're pulling it down, then they'll remove the stump, and then they'll be grinding all the leftover material.
We want to thank everyone for being patient during this project. I feel we're going to make a lot of people happy. We're going to keep a lot of residents safe. And at the end of the day, that's our priority.